Hi guys, my name is Courtney. Welcome to my YouTube channel to play with me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you this pink box. Really nice. It's got glitter here on top and on the sides too. And you can lock this part. So let's open the lock. It's not locked there. So open it like that. And then when you first come in, you have this hair bubble. Really nice. And just some normal ones. Blue, purple, black, back. So 3 blacks and then 1 purple and blue. And then these hair bubbles. Brown, gold, black and grey. I do have an orange one, but that's in my bag. So yeah. And then I have these hair clips. So there's brown and black ones and just black ones. So that's where I keep them. And then I keep hair bubbles in there, hair clips in there. And then when you come into the next one, there is eyeliner, eye pencil. This is the eyeliner, this is the eye pencil. Eye pencil, lip pencil. And then lip gloss. Then I have this one. And then I have nail polish. And then I have this perfume. I used it all there, so it's kind of empty right now. And then I have this 2 girl power ones, but I used those a long time ago. So now they're empty already. And then I have this one, which is Black Oud. And I love that one. And then this one, I have, I can't get it out. I have this glitter palette. And then it has inside it a makeup brush, a eye pencil brush. And it has pink, gold, blue, silver, like a light pink again. Silver, another silver, blue, silvery pinkish colour, and brownish red colour, gold, light pink, silver, green, gold, purple, light blue, pink and blue. So that goes in the bottom one. And then I have this hair clip that you open it like that and then you put it in your hair. When if you want to stick it up without using your hair bubble, just do that. And I do actually have another one. It's brown and black. And then I have this glitter palette. And then I have that. And then let's open this one. I haven't actually opened this one yet. This, it looks so cool. Dropping it into the thingy. I've opened it now. then says that in it. It says hashtag glitter goals, glitter eye palette, and it just says PS at the top. And then when you open it, this one's a lot more bigger than the last one. Open. There we go. We got there eventually. So it has like a, what do I say that is? Like a pinkish silver, maybe rose gold. I don't know. And then there's silver, and then there's light pink, like a darkish light pink. And then there's light purple. That's like a mint green, or like turquoise. And then pinkish silvery colour, pink, blue, silver, like another light, I would say like rose gold. And then a very dark pink, blue, light pink and silver. Like a lightish silvery colour, green, purple, another rose gold, dark green, light green, like a silverish greeny colour, and there's brown, also it's actually quite a gold, yeah, gold, and there's like a greeny gold, another greeny gold, and then like a pearly white colour, then a dark green. So that is what is in my makeup box. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. Bye guys. Help us keep making great videos by giving a small donation. Just click the link in the description.